How to create multiple dependent drop-down lists in Excel. If the type is income, then the category should only show income-related items. If the type is expense, the category should only show expense-related items. Let's do this in Excel. In the type column, let's first create a drop-down list for income and expense. Select the column, go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and under Settings, choose List under Allow. In the source box, type Income Expense. Now, the drop-down list for income and expense is ready. To get the correct list of categories, go to another sheet and list down your income categories and expense categories separately. Convert both lists into tables by selecting the list and pressing Ctrl+T. Make sure to check My Table has headers if you have headers. Do the same for the expense list. Convert it into a table as well. This way, whenever you add a new item, it will be automatically included in the list. Next, let's name our tables. Select the Income table, go to the Table Design tab, and rename it to Income. Do the same for the Expense table and name it Expense. Now, go back to the Monitoring sheet. Select the Category column, go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and under Settings, choose List. In the source box, type this formula, equals indirect open parenthesis, and then click the first cell under the Type column. Remove the $signs from the reference and click OK. Now, the category drop-down will only show options based on the selected type, either income or expense. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tutorials.